Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting both phones ready. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, sign into the same cloud account, and turn on backups. Once done, open the native transfer tool or the file share app on your phone and place the devices close together. You'll be prompted to allow pairing and to grant permissions for contacts, storage, and location. Accept those prompts. Make sure the sending phone is unlocked and the receiving phone is on the transfer screen so the connection can establish immediately. Next, pick exactly what you want to sync and why. Contacts and calendars when you need continuity, photos and messages for history, apps and settings for complete switch. Then choose the transfer method, Cloud Sync for ongoing mirroring, cable or Wi-Fi direct for one-time bulk moves, or QR pairing for fast device handoffs. You'll accept a few permission dialogues. Grant them so the app can copy data. Stay on the transfer screen, watch the progress bar, and don't interrupt the connection until it completes. Finally, confirm that the important items arrived. Open contacts, a recent photo, and a message thread to spot check. Once satisfied, secure the configuration by turning on two-factor authentication and removing any old device access in your account settings. If something failed, try a basic troubleshooting step. Restart both phones, confirm you're signed into the correct account, and check available storage. If that doesn't work, switch to a wired transfer or rerun the sync. These steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.